Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fairfield Inn and Suites, Indianapolis Airport. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 1 swimming pool, free parking, airport shuttle, free, non-smoking rooms, fitness center and a bar. Fairfield Inn and Suites has an indoor pool, a fitness center and air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi. It also provides guest laundry facilities. Indianapolis Zoo is less than 6 miles away. All rooms have modern decor including fluffy pillows and thick mattresses. Room amenities include cable TV, pay-per-view TV and video games for rent. For the complimentary continental breakfast, Fairfield Inn and Suites Indianapolis Airport has a selection of bagels, yogurts and Belgian waffles. Free coffee is available in the lobby. Fairfield Inn and Suites Indianapolis is 13 miles from Indianapolis Museum of Art. Indianapolis Motor Speedway is a 15-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.